Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a breakfast frittata. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 8 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and any fillings you love, such as cheese, cooked meats, or fresh vegetables. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your frittata cooks perfectly. Prepare your chosen vegetables by chopping them into small, uniform pieces for even distribution. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a 10-inch oven-safe, non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add your harder vegetables, like onions and bell peppers, and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they start to soften. For softer ingredients, such as spinach or pre-cooked ham, add them during the last minute of sautéing to prevent overcooking and maintain their texture. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk together your 8 large eggs with 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until everything is thoroughly combined. Pour this egg mixture evenly over the sautéed fillings in your skillet. Let it cook on the stovetop for 2 to 3 minutes until the edges begin to set. Then carefully transfer the skillet to your preheated oven. Bake your frittata in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the center is set and the top is lightly golden brown. You can check for doneness by gently shaking the pan. It should not jiggle excessively. Once baked, remove the skillet from the oven and let the frittata rest for 5 minutes before slicing and serving. Garnish with fresh herbs like chives or parsley for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.